Hey guys, welcome to Bhats Kitchen. Don't forget to hit the red subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get notified about all the new videos. And for today's recipe, we have Puliyogare Gojju. Puliyogare is a Karnataka style tamarind rice. With this tamarind mixture pre-made, it becomes very easy to make puliyogare instantly. Just have some of this mixture made beforehand and store it in a bottle. And whenever you need it, it can be mixed with cooled rice. Let's start with making our masala. In a pan, add 2 teaspoons of urad dal and fry it until it turns golden brown. Once it turns golden brown, add 2 teaspoons of chana dal and fry it for around a minute. Then add 2 teaspoons of sesame seeds, 4 teaspoons of coriander seeds and 2 teaspoons of jeera. Continue roasting. Then add a 1/4 teaspoon of fenugreek, a 1/4 teaspoon of mustard seeds, quarter teaspoon of black pepper, a little ASAFOTIDA, seven to 8 curry leaves, and finally 7 to 8 KASHMIRI chilli. Once everything is nicely roasted, transfer it into a bowl. Now, dry roast half a cup of grated coconut, and then once it's done, transfer it into the bowl as well. Mix it well and grind it into a powder form. There you go, our powder is ready. Now for the final steps. In a pan on medium flame, take 2 teaspoons of oil, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, some curry leaves, a pinch of ASAFOTIDA. Keep frying as you add 1 teaspoon of chana dal, 1 teaspoon of urad dal, 1 tablespoon of peanuts, and 1 teaspoon of sesame seeds. Also add a cup of tamarind pulp and continue mixing. Now add half a cup of jaggery and 3 tablespoons of the grounded masala. Finally, a little salt for taste. Mix it all well. Keep mixing until most of the water evaporates and our mixture thickens. Then switch off the gas. Our Puliyogare Gojju is ready. You can mix it with cool rice to make instant puliyogare. Puliyogare also goes along great with kosamri. To check that recipe, the link is in the description. We really hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you liked it, don't hesitate to click on that like button and share it with your friends. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications to be informed about our latest recipes. If you have any suggestions for our future videos, comment them in the comment box below. Until our next video, keep cooking, keep eating, and keep watching Bhats Kitchen. Stay at home and stay safe.